The country's largest dam will be built near the Chinese border. Modi will lay the foundation stone, the cost will turn heads. In February last year, the centre had approved the largest dam in the country. Today the Prime Minister laid the foundation stone of that dam. According to reports, this Dibang multipurpose project will be built very close to the Chinese border. National Hydroelectricity Power Corporation. This dam or hydropower project will be built on Dibang River in Lower Dibang Valley of Arunachal Pradesh. From this, 2,880 megawatts of electricity can be produced annually. This project will require about 32,000 crore rupees. It is estimated that it will take a total of 9 years to build this dam. Earlier, China has also constructed several dams in Tibet very close to the Indian border to divert the Brahmaputra River. In this situation, India also decided to build a dam so close to the Chinese border. A 278-meter-long dam is planned to be constructed on the underground foundation on Dibang River. The embankment will be concrete. This dam will be built in the shape of a horse's hoof. 300 to 600 meters long and 9 meters diameter tunnel will be under this dam. There will be an underground powerhouse under this dam. Electricity will be generated from the water flow. The main purpose of the dam will be flood control, water retention and power generation in the region. This 278-meter-long dam will be the tallest dam in India when completed. Arunachal Pradesh government will get 12% of the money spent on the construction if the hydropower project is built. Meanwhile, it is known that the government will spend 24,100 INR so that the tribals of this region do not face any problem and their traditions remain intact. Neighboring China has built several villages along the Arunachal border in the Tibetan region. Infrastructure has been built there in the name of village development. By doing all this, China is planning to monitor India's border. In the past days, Indians have witnessed the Chinese aggression in Ladakh and Arunachal. The Modi government is also under a lot of pressure in domestic politics. Many analysts believed that this new project was approved as a kind of response to China in this situation. This project will be officially started. Meanwhile, apart from Arunachal today, Prime Minister Modi inaugurated and laid foundation stones of several projects in Nagaland, Manipur, Tripura, Meghalaya and Sikkim. Besides, the Prime Minister today also launched a new industrial development scheme for the Northeast. The name of this project is Unnati Northeast Transformative Industrialization Plan.